Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting permissions right. Open the app or system settings and enable earthquake alerts so you receive them instantly. Once done, allow location access and background refresh so alerts reach you even when the app is closed. Make sure to set notification sound and critical alert override so your phone breaks through Do Not Disturb. This step ensures the system knows where you are and can push the alert at the right intensity and timing when shaking begins. Next, tune the system to reduce false alarms while keeping useful warnings. Choose an intensity threshold like M4, 0 so you get only meaningful alerts. Once configured, select whether you want short early warnings or full post-event updates. Early warnings are faster but briefer. Also, enable family sharing and prioritize devices so critical contacts and home hubs receive alerts first. This reduces noise and ensures the right people and devices wake up and react promptly when shaking is light. When an alert arrives, act fast. Drop, cover, and hold on immediately. These seconds reduce injury risk. After the event, check the alert details to understand expected intensity and affected areas, then inspect your surroundings and assist others if safe. If you never receive test alerts, run the app's test mode and ensure battery saver, airplane mode, and permissions aren't blocking notifications. If problems persist, update the app and OS or reinstall. These steps fix most delivery and compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.